Hello friends, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. I mentioned to my friend Dana yesterday that tonight I was going to make pork chops for dinner, and she got very excited. And she said, "You have to try my one-pot pork chop dinner. It's a complete dinner, and you make it in the slow cooker, and it only has 3 ingredients." And I became somewhat suspicious. Because if you watch my channel, you know that generally speaking, I like to make everything from scratch. But she assured me that this is amazing, and then she told me what the 3 ingredients were, and I became even more suspicious. But we are going to give it a try. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 can of apple pie filling, 1 box of cornbread stuffing, and 4 center-cut pork chops 2 inches thick. Prepare the stuffing according to package directions and set aside. Spread the apple pie filling on the bottom of your slow cooker. Then layer on the pork chops and cover with the prepared stuffing. Set your slow cooker to 4 hours on high, and that is all there is to it. It's ready, so it smells divine. But let's see how it tastes. The pork chops are so tender, it's kind of falling apart. Get a lot of that apple goodness and that stuffing. It's delicious. The active time to make this meal was 10 minutes. That's how long it took me to make the stuffing in the microwave. And then the rest it just magically does on its own. I owe you one, Dana. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber and leave a comment for me. I'd love to hear from you. Join me again next time right here at home with Anita Rosner. Bye.